Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Tourists throw an average of 1.5 million euro into Rome's Trevi fountain. Each year, the money is collected and donated to charity, providing around 52,800 meals at local soup kitchens in 2023 alone. Harriet Beecher Stowe, 1852. The Galapagos willet bird in flight shows black and white wing pattern on both the side of the wing. Vietnam's national football kit was once sponsored by Hello Kitty. The Eurasian water shrew has a poisonous saliva. It can live at least 2 miles away from water. It burrows under soil and sand. During the 2010 Zenkai Marathon, Jacqueline from Kenya saw a disabled competitor struggling to drink water. She ran alongside him from the 6.2-mile mark to the 23-mile mark, aiding him at all the watering stations. She finished in second place in the race. Lava gulls are omnivorous birds which lay only 2 olive-colored eggs, and in 60 days, young one will origin. The corncrake bird song is mainly heard at night and early morning. Swiss cheese has holes due to the presence of bacteria involved in the fermentation process. These bacteria consume lactic acid produced by other bacteria during fermentation and release carbon dioxide gas, which forms bubbles that creates holes or eyes in the cheese. Research suggests that over 300 million people worldwide report having no friends whatsoever. The American oyster catcher bird uses its red bill to open the shell and to crack the hard surface. Up until the late 19th century in Naples, pasta was a street food eaten with bare hands. People would tilt back their head and lower the pasta into their open mouths, often one uninterrupted fistful after another. Tourists would come to Naples just to watch the locals eat in the streets. Forager bees make half a spoon of honey in their lifetime. The European wry-necked bird will rotate its head 180 degrees. The biggest octopus ever found has a 30 feet 10 arm span, that is 4 Wembies. 0-0 takeoff is when a pilot with 10 plus years experience performs a takeoff in absolute zero visibility. The Pyro family cat directs a portrait of the Pyro children, Wakefield, 1909. When you set a timer, there is a high probability someone will die when the timer hits 0. Ice tsunamis can move 1 kilometer, 0.6 miles per day when the ice warms up. Gas is transported in liquid form on ships, so it takes up to 600 times less space. If a worker opens a plane door without deactivating the emergency slides, they deploy in 5 seconds. Yawning is like giving your body a 20% battery remaining notification. Ships are 95% recyclable and are cut into pieces after 30 years of use. You know you truly respect someone when you are afraid of their disappointment rather than their anger. Interior of a 1985 Nissan 300 ZX, a design that was truly ahead of its time. Roman Emperor Diocletian retired in 305 AD to grow cabbages and tend to his vegetable gardens. Harriet Tubman, 1911. Alcohol has probably caused more births than deaths. Martin Van Buren, 1849. In ancient Greece, it was considered rude not to offer guests a bath and clean clothes when they arrived. John Quincy Adams, 1843. No company has ever survived after its product killed more than 400 million of its consumers with evidence except for cigarette companies. Andrew Jackson, 1844-45. Surviving member of Napoleon's army, 1858. Revolutionary War soldier, 1864. One of the earliest photos showing a Native American with a wolf, unlike the myths created about wolves by European immigrant settlers. A French veteran of the Battle of Waterloo, 1890. Water buffalo. Environmental benefits. Origins and domestication. Milk production. Role in agriculture. Aquatic adaptability. Surprising speed. Legacy and importance. Physical characteristics. Thanks for watching.